Hey guys, thanks for the prompt attention. Now go ahead. Caution. Now are we all are human, so nothing is perfect. A line is in the sand, but I'll get as much of videos that I got out. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and kind of reel y'all in, to the next video. And if y'all didn't watch the other video about 2 days ago, I put up about the horror stories of lawn care. I suggest y'all to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, gives it a thumbs up, put on your notification, the bell, ring that bell, and also look at all my last videos, and it'll fill you in to what is the up and coming. But this is my about me video, so if y'all are curious, I'll go ahead and I'll spill all the beans right there, right after this message. Hello, this is Maurice, and before I introduce myself, I just wanted to go ahead and tell y'all what we're not going to be doing on this channel. We're not going to be doing a lot of, actually a lot of reviews. We're going to be doing a lot of line demonstrations and just basically the videos that are very entertaining as far as lawn industry. And also we can go ahead and jump off the lawn industry and actually go into personal blogging lifestyle. So with that being said, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Maurice, and I'm the owner of Oscillaris Lawn Care, located in St. Petersburg, Florida. Man, let me go ahead and tell y'all. Let me go ahead and actually emphasize to y'all how much I want y'all to go ahead and join me on this journey. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will go ahead and show you blow by blow of what it takes to go ahead and start off. I'm not going to say it's going to be perfect, and you're going to maybe encounter some fuck ups here and there, but this is the way to go for if you want to improve or actually start your online business, because I'm actually starting it right now. So that's the best opportunity in the world right now, is to start in the lawn business. And currently, basically, I've been in business for at least about 7 months right now. This business has been almost a dream come true. It's a little bit of a stress factor. Not saying that life is perfect and everything is smooth, and we're getting enough where it's efficient right now. So hey, just wanted to go ahead and also put that in there. Man, it's not, now living a line life is not all perfect. it's it will encounter a little bit of employment. You're probably gonna catch a little bit of employees, nephews, actually aunts, nieces, whatever, whatnot on this channel, and also a little bit of employment outside. Um, just wanted to go ahead and also, we've been doing a lot of on this channel. We're going to be doing a lot of residential. I'm looking forward to getting into the commercial setting, and also personal and investors. Actually, a lot of my properties I get into are personal investor companies, real estate companies, and a lot of, a few HOAs here and there, but few by far. I'm just started out right now. I just wanted to introduce myself and my company. I just want y'all to come on this journey with me and actually look at it. from our point of view, from our eyes, as you're watching Oscularis Lawn Care. Now remember to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification button. Give us a thumbs up. Put something in the comment below of all the videos that y'all would want to see from us. And we'll try our best to obtain, within my knowledge base and subcontracting and everything like that we do as well. All right there. Peace.